What's up and good morning, guys. So, haven't uploaded in a while, but now I have a new project. So, have a look at this. So this is my new to me 2005 Smart Fortwo 450. Bought it from one of the guys that work for me. So it's been standing for a little bit because the clutch has gone out. So I'll put the video in here that he sent me, and then immediately, obviously, I knew it was the clutch. So as you can see, needs a front bumper, needs a back bumper. It's not the easiest to find these, but we shall persevere and find it. Obviously the clutch needs to be done, needs a very good clean. Actually don't know what it looks like. So I know the car was at the coast at some point, because here we've got some paint issues here, so obviously has to sort out. And then over here was fixed, but obviously needs sorting out. So I have to grind these down and smooth it out and so on. Aerial's broken off, so I need to get a new one of those. I'll put a small one on because normally these things have aerials, I don't know, almost higher than the car. This door doesn't open. It's a common issue apparently, so it's got two cables. So you just try to make a plan to open it, but it's still not opening. So there's a cable that runs from this handle to the lock, and then from here to the lock, and I think they've both gone. It's quite dirty. Yeah, I don't know when last it was actually cleaned, so it's going to need a proper scrub. Let's have a look inside. Only got 168,000 k's on the clock. 168,753, so not too bad. I do think it is going to need the auxiliary belts, because it does like to start screaming. You can see the airbag light is on, because I'm assuming it was an accident at some point, because that airbag is missing in action. This is also terribly dirty. It started curling around and so on. You hear the bell start screaming now. I need to try and figure out what's going in there. Quite like the fact that it's got the Pano sunroof, but it's quite strange. It's only got the one thing to cover here. So apparently that is normal. So that part is in the boot. I'll show you that now. So I did find this. It was serviced at 167,865. It's only about 1,000 k's ago. So that's belt's on making noise now. Radio doesn't work, so I'll be fitting an aftermarket radio in there. It's got the flappy pedals, which is quite cool. My mom's also got one of these. She's got a convertible. She doesn't have the flappy pedals though, but they're all automatic or manual gearbox with the automatic clutch actuator. Hers also doesn't have the rev counter and the clock, so these are quite cool. They turn to wherever you want them to be. I don't know if the aircon works, so that's something I need to get checked out as well at some point. It's also coming loose, so I have to recover those. Then, say for a change, I've got a car with working boot shocks. So this is almost like a parcel tray that goes, so it clips in there, and here. But for some reason there's some attachments that are missing, and other poles that were used as kind of temporary thing, so I need to sort that out. Here's the cover for the front door, so I need to recover that. The handle is there. This is the little net thingy. There is a leak on, there's a clip missing there, so to get to the engine you don't have to do anything. So I have to get that little, it's one of those little quarter turn things, I don't know what they're actually called. Oh, I just saw this is also broken, but that's nothing. I mean, I can just plastic weld that. There's some old tint on here that I'll be taking off. Got some new tint done. Then the boot lid's damaged. I don't know if it's obviously got damaged when someone bumped into this and that got cracked, so that needs replacement. There is a bit of an oil leak here. I'm not too sure what it is or what it's from. It looks like, I don't know if the cat's been removed, because it sits right here where these snot of welds are sitting. Tires at the back are okay. Front tires I'm worried about because these things are stupidly expensive. You can see dry rotted, cracking. These are from 2018, I think. Yeah. So that needs to be replaced. That's cracked. So there is a decent order that I've put in for some parts. Well, I haven't put it in yet. I have got it listed of stuff that I need. So this is just a quick walk around. Mirrors I need to kind of try and sort out. I have got some nice plans for the car. I am in the process of selling the Q5, unfortunately. Life happens, you need to move on. So big guy in a small car, small smart car, it's going to look weird, but hey, they are crazy light on fuel. I think my mom puts like 350 Rand of fuel in and it fills up the tank and feels like she can drive forever. So yeah, that was just a quick walk around. In the next video, hopefully we'll start tackling cleaning. I can only get the clutch replaced once I've sold the Q5, so for now it's either going to stand here or I'll take it home so that I can start fixing stuff, cleaning stuff, sorting it out. But yeah, very, very excited for this project. I've got big plans for it. No modifications or anything, but in terms of color and visual aspect of it, I've got quite big plans. So I don't know if I'll reveal it in the next video what I'm going to be doing, or if I'll just have to, you guys just have to wait until it gets to that point. So, but anyway, next video will either be me starting to clean it or hopefully getting it to the mechanic so that he can start replacing the clutch and sorting out a couple of other little things. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.